Let's discuss about Blackberry Krypton. Since IFE 2017 we've been getting a steady stream of details about an unreleased all-touchscreen device from Blackberry. Now, we may be getting our first look at the device, dubbed Krypton, held next to a black Blackberry Krypton. The phones appear to have similar widths, but the Krypton has a smaller camera module with only a single flash. Additionally, it has a different pattern on the back with a larger bar at the top. The Krypton recently made its way through the FCC certification process but hadn't been caught on camera until now. Though the above image supposedly shows off the Krypton, the person who leaked it seems uncertain if it really is the device. If TCL, the company that makes Blackberry phones, sticks to the October timeline it laid out earlier this year, it would stand to reason that test units are now in the wild. According to Reivew, the head of global sales for TCL, the all-touchscreen device will target business customers much like the Krypton did. TCL is betting that a Blackberry device with water resistance and a battery rated for 26 hours of mixed use can appeal to business-focused consumers who don't want a physical keyboard. Despite dropping the physical keyboard for the Krypton, Blackberry does remain committed to devices with them. Reivew was quoted as saying that keyboards are definitely a big element for future Blackberry branded devices. In addition to more phones with physical keyboards, the company also seems focused on bringing more consumer-focused phones to the market as well. What do you think of the upcoming Blackberry Krypton so far? Would you be interested in an enterprise-focused all-touchscreen device from Blackberry? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe the channel for more upcoming review. Keep watching.